Hello guys, today I want to show you guys how to remove a switched account from Facebook. What I mean by a switched account is if you actually logged in multiple accounts on your Facebook and then you have been switching the accounts from one account to the other, and you decide to log them all out, or you decide to log them out individually. That is what I will be showing you guys on this video, and I'll be doing that on Facebook Messenger and also on the Facebook app, because each time you logged in an account on Facebook Messenger, you will get to see the same account on Facebook application. So I'm going to show you guys how to remove all of them at the same time, and also how to remove them individually. Alright guys, let's dive into this tutorial. Now go ahead and open the Facebook application, which is right here, and right now on the home page, just click on this menu icon, and then you can notice this three dotted these icons that displays the profile name of those other accounts, just opposite the my profile name, opposite the C profile name of Trust Stanley. Click on that, and you are going to notice the name of the whole account that has been logged in. And if I try to log in each and every one of the accounts, if I try to switch between those accounts, I can easily log in. Now this is my brother's account and my friend's account that are actually logged in on my devices. So if I try to log in back into the Trust Stanley, it's still going to be able to log in back. So that is just switching the account. Now if I go over to Messenger, I can still see the same accounts on the Messenger area. So all I need to do is to click on the Messenger right here, and then come to the profile area, click on the profile icon. Once you click on the profile icon just once, you click on the switch account, you'll be able to see the same user's account displayed right here. So I didn't add this to Messenger, I can just add them to Messenger anyway. So I can click on this person's account to log in as that person, and if they change email or password, I will need to enter them right here. But if they haven't changed email so far, I will still have access to the account on Messenger because it's already logged into our Facebook account. So all I need to do is continue, save info if you want to. If not, just skip that. So that is that, and I want to go right back again to the switch account area, which is going to be right here, and then click on the Trust Stanley to switch right back and hit continue. Now guys, once I'm logged in, you can see it displays the same features like before. So in order to switch our account, all we need to do is to click on this menu icon right here, click on the switch account area. Now you can notice it displays couple of names of the logged in account. All you need to do is just to swipe left like this, and it's going to display you these icons. You can click on that paint bucket to log out, and it says this account is also logged in on Facebook on your device. You will need to log out of this account on Facebook to remove the account. So I'm just going to click OK. So now let's go to Facebook to log out that same account. So click on this menu, click on this durable icon. Now you can notice the name of that account is actually Emma Gift. I think that is it. Gift Ola. So it's Gift Ola. It's not displaying right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove this account instead, and you can notice it says gift has been removed. And if I go over here and refresh, it's probably not going to display that icon for me because I'm logged in with another account. But actually for this video, I want to show you guys how to remove all of these accounts from the switch account area. So in order to do that guys, let's dive in. Come over to the home page area, swipe up, go to the settings area of your phone, and now go to application area, which you have to scroll down to apps or applications. Click on that and wait for it to load. And once it has loaded up, all you need to do is to locate Facebook first, which is going to be somewhere around here. And if you can't find it, just go ahead and search for Facebook. So type in Facebook and then it will display. So all you need to do is to click on storage area and then say clear data. Now note guys, this actually doesn't clear any data from your device. It only clears the logged in settings on your device. So after you might have cleared this, all you need to do is to go over and log in. But before we do that, let's do that also for the Messenger. Oh, that is a typo. Messenger and then click on it, storage, and now click on clear data, then click OK. Again guys, it doesn't delete anything from your data, it doesn't delete anything from your device, it only clears all the settings that has been added after installation. So now all we need to do is to come over to our Facebook account, and you can notice it won't be logged in. All you need to do is again log in with your email and password, or your username and password, or phone number, whichever one you use. And then guys, it's taking a while, so go ahead and put in your login details. I think I have them saved on my account. All I need to do is to select it from this display option. Now before I move in, the reason why it's displaying this option is because I actually saved them up on this device. So if you save them up, it's definitely going to display that way, but if not, just go ahead and type them in and then click on login. Now wait for it. Alright, just click on OK to save the information on the device. So this is a fresh account. I'm just going to go ahead and allow all of this and turn on, and then come over to this menu icon. Now you can notice no account is displaying here any longer, so that means they have all been logged out. Then if I want to be able to switch account again, I will have to log out and then log in a new account, just like I did already on the previous video. So if I come over to our Messenger to see if I'm also logged in, you can see that the only option it has is click to continue. I'm going to do that. So just give it some minutes, it's going to load up. Now save info, that is if you want to save info. If it's not your device, just go ahead and turn that off. So not now, okay. Then okay, no, I don't think this is fun. Done. I've already done this before, so click on continue. Now I'm logged in, right? Now if I actually want to switch my account to a different user, all I need to do is to click on this menu icon. Now before I click on this switch user, there is a quick note guys. If you already linked your account with Instagram, it's definitely going to display right here. Or if you have a business account with Instagram, it's still going to display right here. So or if you have a Facebook page, it's still going to display right here. So let me click on that. Now you can notice everything displaying right here is page. There is nothing like a signed in profile apart from the currently signed in account. Apart from that, every other thing that is logged in here is a page, is a Facebook page. So which means it's successfully logged out every other logged in devices on this Facebook Messenger, which means our Facebook and our today's tutorial is a success. So if you guys watch this video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. And thank you guys for watching. Stay home and stay safe. Peace.